What are you doing?
I'm gonna water those two things.
What are you watering?
Those flowers that were coming up.
What kind of flowers?
I don't know what they're called.
You don't know what they're called, huh?
No.
Are they petunias?
No, these are petunias.
They're not petunias? What are they?
I don't know what they're called.
You gonna water the one on the other side?
Yep.
Sydney!
Yeah, he hasn't been going on a window lately.
Sydney! What you doing in there? See if I can get you. There's Sydney. Hi, Sid. Sid. Sydney. Hey, Sid. See you later.